Right, so drift trike coming along. What I'm doing right now is got the back end all, the rear triangle all welded up. Very crude, first time welding, so go easy on me. Axle's just temporarily mounted, not quite done with the gearing. It's really just a test right now. So the motor's got a mount welded here, and then I'm going to do something from here to here that's adjustable, so that we can get the right tension on the chain. But I may even do a jockey wheel with a spring mechanism. It's going to be on the non-drive side, so the real torque and pull comes from this side. So I'll probably have it just putting some pressure here, just to keep the chain from bouncing. Right now this bolt is just very tight, and that's what's holding the motor up. There's nothing here, it's just enough to test. So just testing, you know, what kind of, I have no idea what my gearing was, and I'm not a gearing mathematician, so I was really just winging it, hoping for the best. Got the throttle in my hand. I've got the controller hooked up with all the settings, and obviously the LiPo mat battery that'll be mounted on the head tube there. So just giving the good first test here for speed. The chain is a bit floppy, but the nice thing is that the chain is actually the chain's not actually trying to shift. This is actually a Hyperglide cog set, or sorry, sprocket, and I wanted to make sure that it's an El Cheapo 2, 4, 3, 5 speed unit, and really just using actually 9-speed chain, but it's thin enough that it actually, and I did that on purpose because I want a thin chain that doesn't catch the Hyperglide units that would try to pull it up to the next chain ring. So as long as the chain isn't shifting over back and forth, it's not going to try to grab another gear. So obviously I'll do more testing once this thing gets, you know, properly mounted and tensioned. The motor gets tensioned, but figure not bad speed on that axle. So we'll see when we get this guy running whether with all the weight what it actually turns into. Got the go-kart wheels. I just need to find some piping to actually go on the outsides to make the tires or the wheels slippery. So anyway, that's my next step on the drift trike build. So we're coming along quite good. Couple more weeks and hopefully I'll have something I can ride.